All right, we're going to do 2 more examples. So this one says 100 decreased by a number k. So because this word is not the word than, it's the word by, we keep the order. So we're going to start with 100. And decreased by is another word for subtraction. So we're going to write decreased by. That's another key word for subtraction. Decreased by a number k. Awesome. So then again, just like last time, we're going to use substitution. Substitute. Okay, we're going to substitute k equals 25. So anywhere I see a k, I'm going to write 25. So this becomes 100 minus 25. If you are good at change, like if you usually count pennies and stuff and you know a lot about dollars, you probably know what this is going to equal. But if you don't, we're going to do it on the side. So 100 minus 25. I don't have enough to take away 5. So I look at my neighbor, and my neighbor doesn't have anything. So I have to go all the way over to the 100s column. And they let me borrow some. And now they don't have any. But I see my neighbor, and so I give them some. And then I ask them if I can have some of theirs. And then they have 9 left, and I get 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And 9 minus 2 is 7. And then the 0 doesn't matter, so I've got 75 left. So 75 is the value when I decrease 100 by a number k, and k is 25. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase one of these. Well, actually, I'm going to continue on, and we're going to add one more word over here to the subtraction list. Okay, and this last phrase for the subtraction list is the phrase difference. Okay, the word difference also means to subtract. Now, I'm sure you can think of a few more words that mean subtract. Why don't you think for a few seconds, what other words might you see when we're looking at subtraction? Okay, so maybe the word less or less than. Maybe if somebody borrows something. Because if somebody borrows, they're taking it away from you, right? Okay, so think some more about what other words might mean subtraction. Okay. And then I'm going to restart this page. All right, so for this last one, I'm going to use the word difference because it's a special word that means subtract that we don't see very often. Okay, so the difference of a number s and 6. So when you see the word difference, it's usually outside of the two things that you're subtracting. Okay, so in the case of the word difference, you just put them in the same order that they appear in the sentence. So s comes first because it came first in the sentence, and 6 comes second because it came second in the sentence. And then we put the subtraction in between them. So the difference of a number s and 6 is s minus 6. All right, and then last but not least, we're going to substitute. Substitute. And we have 7 minus 6, which equals 1. Okay, so 1 is our final answer for that one. So 1 is the solution for the difference of s and 6 when s is 7. All right, so then you're going to have some practice work to do. Nice job, you guys.